Unidad Educativa Privada Nuestra Señora del Camino. Plataforma educativa elnuestra.online. Recurso pedagógico para Educación Media General, quinto año.
Hello students, my name is Cila Conrado, your English teacher. I am going to talk about either or, neither nor. The objective, to use the connectors either or and neither nor in a sentence. Either or is used in affirmative sentences to offer a double choice. We have two sentences in here. Alice likes oranges, Alice likes apples. So you put the two sentences together in just one sentence using either or. Alice likes either oranges or apples. Now you have only one sentence. Neither nor is used in negative sentences and it is used to deny two options. If you have two negative sentences, you join both sentences in only one, using neither nor. I like neither soup nor vegetables, but don't forget to write the verb in affirmative form. Here you have some more examples about simple present, simple past, present continuous. For example, Rose is cooking rice, Rose is cooking chicken. Don't forget that you change the verb to be according to the personal pronoun, but you keep the same verb in gerund. In past continuous, you change the verb to be according to the personal pronoun, but you keep the same verb in gerund. Present perfect, you have some examples, past perfect and with future. Neither nor, remember if you use neither nor, both sentences are in negative form, but when you join both sentences in only one with neither nor, the verb is in affirmative form, according to every one of the personal pronoun and according to every one of the verbal tenses. Present perfect, past perfect, simple future, you read some more examples. Don't forget to study either or and neither nor. Practice with the different examples, check your notebooks, study and practice before the evaluation. And you have two activities. The first one, complete the sentences with the correct verb and with the correct option, either or neither nor. And the other activity, choose the correct option, either or, neither nor. Okay? Thanks for your attention.
Unidad Educativa Privada Nuestra Señora del Camino. Plataforma educativa elnuestra.online.